G'day YouTube, it's Shane here once again, and today I'm coming at you from a local laundromat. It's currently 18 degrees Celsius, it's overcast outside, but it's not raining, it's not too bad. The reason I'm at a laundromat is because it's next to the fish and chip shop, and I've just gotten some fish and chips, hot chips, excuse me, and a piece of fish. And today I'm just doing a bit of an update video. Tomorrow I'll be working in the city. It's only a short shift, but I'll stay in the city. I'll meet some friends afterwards, and then on Saturday morning I'll be working at the Adelaide Oval again in the Villiers Pie Shop. So please come along and buy something from the Villiers Pie Shop. You may see me, I'll probably be pouring gravy or goodness knows what I'll be doing. And then on Sunday, back again at the Adelaide Oval, not for a game, but for a conference, like a personal growth kind of conference thing. I don't think I'm going to get much out of it, but I get paid to be there, so that's always good. There's a few shifts and things sprinkled throughout the rest of the month, but not a whole lot. So I'm still looking for full-time work if I can get it. There's bits and pieces for July. The super secret project apparently is going to go ahead in July. I got notification of that yesterday, but it's been delayed again. So that should be good. Hopefully that'll come to fruition. And I think it's paid work as well, so that'd be interesting. But yeah, things are plodding along slowly but surely. I get paid tomorrow, so I will be able to pay rent for yet another week. I've made sure that I'm at least 2 weeks ahead with my rent, so I can breathe a little bit. There's a government reduction on my electricity bill this time around, so that's come in handy. It's come in really handy. But and I am still looking for full-time work. And the reason I'm doing this video is because I've just enrolled in a course that's coming up in July. The super secret project is happening in June. The other course is happening in June as well. It's a 2-day course, and it's to do with like mental health, first aid, and apparently like employers want that sort of stuff. I'm also looking at doing some free courses with TAFE, but that's a bit more of a long-term commitment, and I don't know whether to do it online or not, just to save money on like transport. But I prefer lectures and things to be in person if possible, so I can ask questions and all that sort of stuff as well. But also get my mind in focus. So financially, I'm still going backwards. I'm just limping along, but I'm not moving ahead. I'm not saving anything. So I need to do something different, change my tact, so to speak. I've been off welfare for 3 years, and I really don't want to go back on it. It will affect my mental health negatively. My mental health is okay now, for those of you that are asking. It's just needing a consistent income, and once I get that, I'll be okay. But throughout the rest of the year, I will be accepting all of the shifts that the Adelaide Oval throws at me, because they are a good employer and they pay well and they do longer shifts and things like that. There are, of course, people there, the operations team, are always trying to cut people's shifts, and at a time of like inflation and a cost of living crisis, it's just not good for a company like that to be stingy, right? That money goes back into the economy, the local economy, and a lot of these other companies are advocating outsourcing, where they will outsource work overseas for cheap labour, but that money all goes overseas. It doesn't help the local economy. And then long term, now they might help a business that's struggling in the short term, but long term, if people can't afford your products, that business is going to fail eventually. But apparently people don't think like that, which is a shame. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for clicking like and all that sort of stuff. It makes a difference, and people, please keep commenting and interacting. Thank you for those who said that I should do videos without the cap, and it is starting to get a bit cooler, but I do have a hoodie if things get wet and wild and all that sort of stuff. Thank you for letting me know your opinions in the various polls and things, and I'll catch up with you in the next video. Like, subscribe please, and if you could watch this video or this video, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.